Right, this one might be interesting for you. It's an eye mask. It's to help you get to sleep at night time. I'm going to do the unboxing. And it costs around about £21 or just under. And as always, I will stick a link in the video description so you can go and check her out. Sleep mask, 3D sleep headphones. So sleep better for your health. That's what it says. Model number BSE 0.05, not 0.5. And a bit of information about how to connect it. Close all your wireless devices during connection. Long press. Oh, okay. So the information is actually on there and specifications. So have a good look, have a good read, then I won't have to read it out to you. Makes sense, doesn't it? Right, let's do the unboxing. Oh, I need a knife. So, yeah, like I said, if you're having trouble sleeping, this might be the answer to your prayers. I don't know. I've never used one before. So we are going to be testing it out as soon as I can get it out of the box. And I will not be filming me sleeping. I will show you me wearing it and see whether or not it's comfortable and all that. So it comes in a nice little bag. What's this? Instructions perhaps? Sleep headphones, Bluetooth, 3D eye mask, operating instructions. There you go. I will set her up, and if it's going to be difficult, I will show you how to set it up. Or I might just show you how to do it anyway. We will see. So nice little bag. Get out of the way. Comes with a USB lead. It's a good length. Normally something like this is a tiny little length, but I reckon, yeah, it's not bad. It's not brilliant, but it's not bad. So it's a good little length. Move that out of the way. So you must have to charge it up. Oh, that feels nice and soft on that side. They're lovely and soft. Top, what's that say? Top Planet or Top Planner? Something like that. I'm not sure. Top Planet, that's a T. Wasn't sure if that's a T or not. So it plays music, so that should help you to get to sleep as well. Should be soothing. And yeah. First impressions, that feels really soft on both sides actually. Which is what you want. Whether that's going to cause a problem, I don't know. So that would be for charging up. Yeah, so I might have to charge it up. So let's see if she just switches on. Hold one of the buttons in. Oh, I heard it come power on. Oh, look at that. First time. Middle button. So that's looking for something to connect it to. And still we can turn it off. Right, I am going to have a read of the instructions because I haven't read the instructions. I just thought I'd have a quick go. And we will give it a proper little test. Right, I've had a read of the instructions and it sounds quite simple to set up. But for those who are unsure, I am going to show you how to set it up. So first of all, you need to turn it on by holding the button down. And it's flashing red and blue, or blue and red, depends how you look at it. And when it's flashing red and blue, it's ready to be synced up. So open up your Bluetooth, like this one here, click on there, and click on Bluetooth, and pair new device. Wait for it. There it is, BTFAAH, that baby there. Pairing. And allow it to connect to your cell phone and call history, whatever. Tick that, power. You don't have to allow it, but I'm just doing it anyway, because if you get a phone call while you're sleeping, you know, or resting, and you want to answer it, you don't have to take these off. You can just press the button and it will work. Right, so that is now paired up, so I can get rid of that. So they're linked up together. And what we're going to do now, I'm going to play some music and I'm going to have a little listen to it. And the way you do it is you click on, well, I've got download, so click on some music. I've got this one here. And I'm going to have a quick listen. That should be playing. Yeah, I can hear that. I'll let you have a listen. Yeah, can hear that. And if you want to adjust the volume, it's quite simple. You just hold the plus or the minus button down. that will go up. So if you want to bring it down, it will go down. And if you want to skip to the next song, you can just press the plus or minus quickly. Like so. So it's next song, and back. Now, if you want to put it on a timer, it's slightly different. You can do like 1 hour, 2 hours, and so on. So to put it on the timer, so it will automatically turn itself off. Say, for instance, you want to do 1 hour. You just press that quickly twice, and it should go to 1 hour.
Power off 2 hours later. Long play.
Did you hear that? It said long play as well, which is, look, I'm not sure what long play is, but that's what it says. So I'm assuming that's like continuous play until, you know, until it goes flat. But double press and for 1 hour, and double press for 2 hours. Have another go.
Power off 1 hour later.
Did you hear that?
Power off 2 hours later. Long play.
And long play. Back to long play. So just carry on until you stop it. If you want to just stop or pause the actual music, just press it once. And it's paused. Press it again. Play. Yeah, very simple, very easy to use. Very impressed so far. Like I say, I haven't tried it actually sleeping, so that will be the next part of this video. So with that, I'll be back. Oh my God, you still here? Right, I gave them a thorough test, and yeah, they are very comfortable. I'm quite surprised how comfortable these little things are, especially where the speakers are, because I thought they were going to dig into my ears or something, you know, because I lay on my side. Sometimes I lay on my left, sometimes I lay on my right, but I find they don't really dig in because, you know, obviously you're laying on a cushion anyway, so they sort of dig into that bit. And I do find that the speaker is slightly louder on the one you're laying on. And, you know, that makes sense because that's being pushed into your ear a bit more. But, like I said, they are surprisingly very comfortable. I am quite impressed with them. Definitely gets my thumbs up. I like them. I think they're well worth the money. Nice and smooth and soft. And once you figure out where the buttons are, you know, when you've got them on, it's quite easy to adjust. But it does take a little bit of practice at first to get the adjustment going. Yeah, very comfortable, quite impressed, and easy to set up as well. It definitely gets my thumbs up. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thanks very much for watching.